Hello! Why do I always do this? My name is Lene and I've just been to South Korea. I came home yesterday, didn't want to leave. So in this video, I'll show you what I got from South Korea. Actually, I can show you my suitcase. This is what I got for skincare, clothes, snacks. So I'll divide it into 4 sections. I'll do skincare products first. If you are planning to go to South Korea, I hope this could be useful for you to see what you might get. Anyways, let's get this video started. Skincare products. The number one Korea, or maybe not number one of the things that Korea is known for, having the best skincare products. So I bought different stuff of face masks. You can get like packages of several ones, but I went for single ones because I wanted to try different ones. So these are the Mediheal face masks, Tea Tree Essential Mask Collagen, Tea Tree Nude Gel, Pepta Lifting Ampoule Essential Mask Brightening, Ampoule, Bamboo Charcoal. There's so many choices, there's so many good stuff. Masks from Kbeauty, Collagen Gel Mask. This is Heart Leaf. This is Jericho Rose Gummy Sheet Mask. And from Round Lab, these cute masks, so cute. From Toriden, Cell Macing and Balanceful Mask. Red Blemish Dr. G Cool Soothing Mask. Blemish Care Mask Serum by iSoy. Just like the design on these as well because they were like food themed. So those are the masks that I got. Now on to the skincare products. This is the Manyo Oil Cleanser. As you can see here, number 1. It's got like all of these different awards from Olive Young. This one comes in 2 bottles. I actually tried this one just recently, just today, and it feels really nice. A nice and oily texture. Then I got a water cleanser, also from Manyo. I also tried this one today, very light. And then I got Lagom, which is like a micro foam cleanser. This was the first thing that I bought in South Korea. I just went to, I think it was Temtem or something. I asked for a recommendation for a cleanser, and this is what the lady recommended, and she said it was like a very popular cleanser in Korea. It's got a very, very gentle, comfortable, like a nice feeling of the foam. So this one I do recommend. For toner, I got the Round Labs toner. Number 1, 2021. Also comes in 2. You got this big bottle. And then you got a small gift bottle or travel bottle. I also got Calming Water Pad. Keratin 2023 Olive Young Awards. This one has like the big bottle with 60 pads, smaller one with 30 pads. And it also has single pads, which are nice if you're going to travel. I really like that it had like 3 different kinds, but it's 100 sheets together, all together. Let's see what it looks like. They look very thin, which is nice. Smells nice. I got this Serum Blemish Care. This is also a number 1 bestseller. Let's see what it looks like. Cute bottle. Also a cream. I'm excited to try these ones. And then I got the Cosrx Snail 96 Essence. So I haven't tried this one, and I'm excited to try this one as well. For face cream, I got the Dr. G Red Blemish Clear Soothing Cream, also a number 1 bestseller. It was sold out in several of the stores that I went to. Ooh, a cute little kit in here. Spatula, little size cream. The main cream, 70 milliliters. Another face cream that I got was this Belief one. I got this one at the airport. This is the Aqua Bomb Belief Cream. And this one looks amazing. Just look at that, like, perfection. The consistency is just so smooth. The bluish kind of color, I love it. It looks so fresh. I feel refreshed just looking at this. So I'm very excited to use both of these creams. That's why I'm not opening this yet, because I'm gonna use this one first. And I got this one, the Believe Moisturizing Balm. This was more for winter or dry skin, while this one is for oily or combination skin or summertime. From the Innisfree in Jeju Island, I got this volcanic clay mask. I'm excited to try this one. And last but not least, two makeup things. Eye palette Wakame that I was recommended after I did my color analysis. I will make a separate video on my color analysis, so check it out if you want to. Link in the description. Spoiler alert, I'm an autumn youth, so I was recommended this. And also I got a lipstick from Ramend. I don't know how you pronounce this. Unfortunately, didn't have time to look for more makeup stuff. When I'm going back, then I will look for more makeup stuff, because they have a lot of stuff that looks really nice. So I went to get a haircut in Seoul in Myeongdong at the Juno Hair, which is like a chain hair salon that they have everywhere. He took a picture of my scalp. There was like an oil layer, so he recommended doing like a hair scalp treatment. I did that and I got like a hair spa as well. Anyways, what am I saying? What am I talking about? From the Juno Hair, I got these two products. This one, big bottle here, scalp scaling shampoo. It is huge, 600 milliliters. It's kind of pricey. It was like 60,000 won. So let's see what it looks like inside. If I can open it. Okay. Oh, that is cute. It's a big bottle. Scalp shampoo. Oh, it's very interesting color. Also for the scalp is scalp essence. I'm gonna apply before blow drying my hair. That's everything. I have 3 tips if you're going to South Korea and you're going to look for skincare products. Number 1 tip, make a list beforehand to kind of get an idea of which products you would like to buy or you're interested in, so that you know what to look for, or just categories like I want this toner, cleanser, whatever. They have so much there that it's difficult to decide. Tip number 2 is to do not delay buying the products, because maybe you won't find the ones that you're looking for, or something else comes up. Oh yeah, maybe tip number 3 is also just like asking about recommendations if you are not sure, or just look at if you're at Olive Young, you can just look at their like bestsellers. So yeah, those are my 3 tips for skincare product shopping. Learning every day about this big like world of skincare. Anyways, South Korea was great. I already want to go back. I'm going back to work on Monday, which I am not looking forward to. I'm gonna work, save money, and then go for another trip. Comment down if that is your mentality as well. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was useful for you in some way. I am in no way an expert or even knowledgeable in this area. I went for like the bestseller products, and I thus far really love the ones that I've tried. So I'm very excited and hopeful for the rest of them. I hope you have a good day. If you like this comment. I am jet lagged as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Bye bye. See ya. Heart. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but it does smell good as well. Chimmy. Then let's move on to the next section, which is snacks.